Today is day number 6. That he has been inside, and it's late at night, and I just came in to check on him, and he seemed a little hungry, so I was giving him a little bit of cat food. This is the canned cat food, and I have to cut the pieces into smaller pieces. And often at night he's not as interested in eating as much as he is during the day, and everything I read says that they sleep through the night. Most of the time he is fed dry food that is soaked in water to make it really soft. And I was feeding the cats their late evening or nighttime snacks, basically, and thought I would give him a little bit of fresh food. I didn't have any that I'd soaked in water that was fresh. I did that earlier today. He keeps moving his mouth. And he's staying in this bowl that I've put some shredded paper towels in, or torn up paper towels, and right now I took some of them out that were supporting him so that I could get to him, but they like really tiny confined places, and so to provide that I prop up tissues under there, and I line the bowl with tissues, and I can just quickly raise him up and take out the soiled pieces of paper towel and tissues. And I do that multiple times a day as needed. You don't want them to lay with their legs splayed out like that very much. They need to keep their legs under them. We'll get cleaned up and say nighty-night.